Hey, what's up guys? Christian over at Fit Car Stereo. Today we're in 2013 Mercedes C-Class and we just installed wireless Apple CarPlay. Alright, so I'm going to jump to it first. Why not the big screen? Because I know that's the first question in everyone's mind. Is because we offer lifetime warranty on labor, and even though those screens look great, they're not as reliable as the units we install. So we still install the big screens on friends and family, and we still have mixed results. So for that reason, we don't sell them as a company. Anyway, now that's out of the way this unit works is that this unit actually interrupts the cable between the screen and the radio down below. It's controlled by your factory knob. So we're gonna go over here and you're gonna go up to audio and you're gonna select auxiliary, okay? So the audio on this thing goes through the factory auxiliary, okay? So we're gonna go hit the back button and hold it. It'll switch over. Now it switches over automatically. We're going into some music. So if you guys don't know, this is Apple CarPlay. All right, it works through the factory speakers using the factory knob, and then if you hold the back button, it actually goes back. But because it goes to the auxiliary, you can't use your AM or FM. I mean, you can, but then you won't get your voice prompts. All right, now you're gonna go over here. You go back into hold. You get your phone. That's your phone calls, your messages, your WhatsApp. Now playing is what's now playing. All right, we didn't make one of these for this one. Customer's been here all day, so I don't want to hold them up. But you control everything through here. All right. Now we're gonna go back. Now has your Maps, Google Maps, Waze, Pandora, Spotify, Amazon Music, iHeartRadio, SiriusXM. Pretty much there's a bunch of apps that are authorized by Apple to be in Apple CarPlay, and those are the ones that come up. This takes you back to the main menu. All right, calendar, and if you wanted to say something, actually, you know what? I didn't try the voice. Does the voice on the factory button work? Nope. I think you hold down the C button, right? Yep. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 3:38 p.m.
All right. So you see the back button goes in and out, and then the C button activates voice dial. The one to the right of the CarPlay, of the center knob down here. That's pretty much it. Yeah, it's standard CarPlay, but like I said, this uses your factory screen, and more reliable than the big screens. The big screens are great, but we can't. Since we provide lifetime warranty on labor, we can't swap them out every couple of years for free. It's just the way it works. But anyway, my name is Christian. This is EnFitCarStereo.com. We sell, we install, we ship worldwide. Guys, if you're a shop, we've done our research on what works with what. Anything German or European, our units, they just work. And wireless. So you don't have to connect any wires. It's pretty stable. Just like anything Apple could just come out with an update that will destroy it. But usually Apple, when they destroy something, they fix it. As you can see, look, no wires. All right. So wireless CarPlay. I forget the years on this car, but this one is a 2013. And we have them for the newer ones too. But anyway, my name is Christian, EnFitCarStereo.com. Thank you so much for watching.